for today's video, I thought I would just do a morning routine. So here I am, just going and getting something to eat. And yeah, this morning I chose cereal, and that cereal is actually pretty good. So you guys should try it. So here I am just making myself some coffee because you know you gotta have that morning coffee. And then while I eat, I like to just scroll through social media, mainly Instagram and YouTube.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms.
So here I am just cleaning off my face. Usually I take off my makeup the night before, but now I'm just taking off the leftover makeup that would probably be on my face if I didn't clean it that good. And here I am just giving the puppies a little bit of love because they deserve it. Now I don't do this every morning, but it was time to wash the bedding, so that is what I'm doing in this. I'm just taking all the bedding off and getting ready to throw it in the washer. And then as you can see, I'm just throwing the bedding into the washer in this clip. Then in this clip, I am just playing ball with the dogs. They like me to throw the ball and play with them, so that is exactly what I'm doing. Even though only one of them wanted to go get the ball, but that's okay. Yeah.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today.
Then in this clip, I'm just kind of cleaning up the water bottles, and you'll see I'm cleaning up my desk a little bit too, even though I just set the water bottles on the dresser, but I'm going to end up dumping those anyways. So, yeah. Then in this clip, I'm just getting on the PlayStation and watching some YouTube videos. Usually that's what I do every morning. I try to catch up on all the YouTubers, all my favorite YouTubers that I like to watch. And this morning I started watching It's Our Life. They're my faves. And yeah. And as you can see, like I said, I left the water bottles up on the dresser, but I cleaned those off. So yeah. So all I did was watched It's Our Life, and then I just ended the video. I didn't really make an outro, but this is the outro. Thank you for watching.